Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this guide, we will show you how to fix a frozen Redmi Note 9 that stopped responding after the recent update. Whether a phone is stuck on a certain screen or a black screen, it's possible that it's just having some minor firmware-related issue, or it's a problem with its hardware. For firmware problems that resulted in a frozen phone, you can easily fix them by doing one or a couple of procedures. However, for hardware problems, you may need help from a technician to get the problem sorted out. Assuming that your phone doesn't have any signs of physical or liquid damage, here's what you should do to fix it. First solution, force restart your phone. When it comes to fixing a problem like this, the forced restart can always be your go-to procedure. No matter what state your phone is in, this procedure will always work. So it doesn't matter if your Redmi Note 9 is stuck on an app screen or black screen, it will respond to the forced restart. Here's how it's done. Press and hold the power key for 10 seconds. This will trigger your phone to shut down and power back up. Once the logo shows on the screen, release the power key and wait until the boot process is finished. After the boot process, try to see if your Redmi Note 9 still freezes at some point. Second solution, boot into the recovery mode and reset the phone. You'll only need to do this procedure if your Redmi Note 9 boots up successfully but stops responding the moment you do something on it. Such a problem will prevent you from using the phone, and while resetting it will make you lose all your files and data. That's a compromise you have to do to be able to make the phone work perfectly again. Here's how it's done. Turn off your phone completely. Press and hold the volume up button and the power key for 10 seconds. If the Redmi logo shows, release both keys and wait until the device enters the recovery mode. From here, choose Wipe Data and then follow on-screen instructions to proceed with the reset. After the reset, restart your phone and then set it up as a new device. It should work properly after that. Third solution, charge and do the forced restart. You will only need to do this procedure if your Redmi Note 9 is stuck on a black screen and won't respond. It's possible that the battery is drained, and that the firmware crashed just before the phone powered down. So give it a little time to charge and then do the forced restart while it's connected to the charger. Here's how. Plug the charger to a working wall outlet. Connect your phone to the charger using the appropriate cable. Regardless of whether your Note 9 shows the charging sign or not, leave it connected to the charger for at least 5 minutes. Now while the device is still connected to the charger, press and hold the power key for 10 seconds or more. If the logo shows, release the power key and it should boot up successfully. However, if this doesn't fix the problem either, then you have to let a technician check the device for you. There's probably an issue with the hardware. We hope that this troubleshooting guide can help you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure you enable the notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new videos. Thanks for watching.